Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down your signal chain. Connect guitar to your audio interface and open the pedal host or plugin. Set the DAW or host to 44, 1 or 48 kHz because consistent sample rates prevent clicks and timing drift. Once done, dial input gain so peaks sit around -12 dBFS. That preserves headroom for pedals and limits digital clipping. Make sure monitoring is enabled, then engage direct monitoring to hear latency-free response while adjusting levels. Next, you build the pedal chain and routing. Place amp simulator early, then drive pedals, followed by modulation, delay, and reverb, because distortion before time-based effects creates clearer repeats. If you want parallel effects, send to an aux bus and return at controlled wetness. This preserves core tone while adding ambience. Once routed, use parametric EQ before drives to tame lows and After Effects to polish the final tone. Make sure to save presets as you refine settings. Now finalize levels and test. A /B presets against bypass to confirm improvement and adjust wet/dry mix to taste. If you plan to record, set buffer size to a compromise, 128 to 256 samples to balance latency and CPU usage, and freeze or bounce tracks to save resources. If you run into noise, try a noise gate, reduce high gain stages, or add spectral noise reduction. Finally, label and back up your presets so you can recall the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.